Collapsible rows, also known as accordions, are a great way to organize dynamic content on Shopify. Here's how you can add custom dynamic content to collapsible rows. Enable collapsible row feature. Many Shopify themes come with built-in support for collapsible rows. Check if your theme has this functionality. If it doesn't, you can add custom code to enable collapsible rows. Customize your theme. Navigate to Online Store, Themes, Edit Code. Locate the relevant file, such as sections, collapsible row.liquid, or create one if your theme doesn't have it. Add the following structure. Add dynamic content. Use dynamic text to populate content. Product.description for product details. Collections or blocks for collections or blog posts. Add conditional logic for specific sections. Style the collapsible rows. Add CSS to control the appearance and transitions. This setup ensures you can add and manage dynamic content efficiently in collapsible rows, enhancing usability and user experience.